Most buyers don't regret the home they buy, they regret the payment they didn't think through. Spending 14 years helping home buyers has let me understand what homes people can afford without stretching or stressing themselves. Today, I'm going to help you make this decision in 4 steps without losing control of your life to a bank or an online calculator. Here's the mistake I see all the time. Buyers start with the wrong question. They ask, what's the most I can get approved for? That's not a bad question, but it's the wrong starting point. Because approval numbers don't know your lifestyle, your stress tolerance, your other goals, or how you want your life to feel month to month. Banks approve risk. You're gonna live with the payment. So instead of asking how much can I buy, the better question is, what payment lets me live my life comfortably after the house? If this kind of clear mortgage guidance is helpful, make sure you subscribe so you can see more videos like this. 2 buyers with the same income can have very different payments, and both can be right. Spoiler alert, it's not about the math. A home buyer can go for the max amount the bank approves, but that decision might ruin their life. Sleepless nights, making panic when life happens, or cannot find room for saving, travel, kids, fun, or just breathing. List prices, interest rates, what your friend bought, doesn't matter. The most important number in homeownership is your comfort payment, not the max you can pay, the amount you're happy paying. Once we know your comfort payment, we break it down into real parts, not just principal and interest. Your true monthly payment has 4 pieces: principal, interest, taxes, insurance, and sometimes an HOA. This is what most online calculators miss. 2 homes with the same price can have very different payments. Because property taxes vary, insurance varies, HOAs may or may not exist, and the loan program matters. This is why buyers get surprised after they fall in love with a house. When you start with payment first, surprises disappear. When I help someone decide what they can afford, we walk through 3 simple questions to prevent regret. Question 1, does this payment fit my life today? Not someday, not after raises, today. Question 2, could I still handle this payment if life changed? Kids, job shifts, unexpected expenses, flexibility is safety. Question 3, am I choosing peace or pressure? Pressure fades excitement fast. Peace lasts a long time. Buyers who answer these questions honestly rarely regret their purchase, even if rates or prices change later. I hear this phrase a lot, we'll just stretch for the first year. Stretching assumes nothing goes wrong, but real life doesn't work like that. The goal of homeownership isn't to impress anyone. It's to create stability, control, long-term wealth, and a home that supports your life. The best buyers aren't the ones who buy the biggest house. They're the ones who buy the right house. I love making the mortgage process more clear, and I'm a mortgage loan officer. If you ever need help or have a question, I'm always here for you. If you want to decide what you can actually afford without regret, here's what I recommend. Define your comfort payment. Look at real payments, not just list prices. Match the home to your life, not the market. Last but not least, talk to a lender that helps you figure these out in plain English. That's literally what I do every day. I'm here to walk through it with you, calmly, clearly, and without pressure. Let's make sure your home supports your life and not the other way around. You don't need perfect timing. You don't need a perfect rate. You don't need to max yourself out. You need clarity. This is a crucial question that also needs clarity. Should you buy a home now or wait? Watch the video on the screen next to uncover the pros and cons of each side and answer this question with clarity.